A knife that isn't made out of metal? You can walk through a metal detector without it being detected. You can get waved down with a Garrett wand without it being pinged. What is it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that is. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? Mikey Messini here with Mikey Daily Carry, helping you build influence with everyday carry. And on here, I do EDC reviews and tips to encourage you to carry daily. And today, I'm super excited because I have two G10 knives that were sent to me by a company called Black Triangle. They've been kind enough to send these to me for review. One I get to keep, one I will send back, just as a disclaimer. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing, just doing a first impressions of these knives. I caught wind of this when I was watching a bunch of EDC videos, and I noticed that a lot of people in these videos were carrying appendix, and there were these G10 knives. So let's take a look at it. Starting with my impressions of the package. Nostalgic. VHS tapes, probably don't know what that is for the generation now, but this is very nostalgic to me. I used to have a freaking pull-out little cabinet in the entertainment center which had all of the VHS tapes. It was freaking insane. And when I unboxed these and I saw these two boxes, I got just super excited about that. So starting off with this one here, rather than going through all the different specs, I'm gonna put a link down below to their site so that way you can see all of them, because like I said, this is more of just like a first impressions video of these knives. Now this one here is the Serval. It actually is being sold for $105. There's a lot of different variants that you can get for this type of knife. The Serval coming out looks just like so. Now, purpose of it is to not, it can't actually cut things, right? But it does have a sharp point here in an event you need to use that as a self-defense tool. This just goes into the Kydex here. The Kydex sheath, very, very strong. I like how it is just super form-fitting there. This right here is a 1.5 clip, it looks like. It's wrapped by paracord, so nothing on here is metal. Usually you have nuts and rivets that hold screws together from the clip and the Kydex sheath. This does not. It has just this paracord. And then this right here is just wrapped in this rope, and that's all it is. This right here is G10. If you happen to run through a metal detector or you get waved down with a wand, they won't detect this because it's just plastic. Now, I'm not saying that you should go and try that, because I'm not encouraging that in any way, nor am I a lawyer, but if it is plastic, most likely it will not be detected. I really like how these are just made. It fits really good in hand, like so. Usually I will be carrying this appendix. I want to say this is probably oriented to right hand right now, because with the clip being here, you just go and grab it, you're ready to go this way. Let me just show you guys. So say for example, I go to reach and grab, that just comes out like so, and then I'm ready to go with this tool. Now reapplying it back into the holster, super easy. I like how that just clicks. I love it when that just clicks into place. Like, you guys just nail it in the head with that Black Triangle. That is freaking awesome. The Serval, $105, comes with different types of goon tape wrapped handles, or you can actually do a custom fabric wrapped sheath on it as well. That's a super nice one. Take a look at that. The next one here is going to be the Senka, and this one is also $105. You can customize it like the Serval, and let me give you guys a view of what this one looks like. So this is it right here. Got your backside, again, no metal anywhere here. That's the purpose of this whole thing. And you pull that out, and that's what this one looks like there. And then you got the backside, and that just fits right into here. The paracord that they use to wrap on that is very nice. It gives it a really good grip, so that way you don't have to worry about it slipping or anything like that. You also have a little bit of wiggle room right here, just in case you need to give that a little pinch when you pull this and deploy. But this right here, I want to say size comparison to the Serval, looks like it might be, yep, a little bit bigger than the other. So I'm gonna give you a side-by-side comparison of what this looks like. Definitely a lot longer than the Serval. Again, look it up on their site with a link below. I'm not going to be giving you guys the exact specs because of that. Now, between the two, I really find myself probably using this size more rather than this size here. What I do like about the Senka is the grip factor. I want to say I do get a 4-finger grip on both of them pretty easy, but I like how this has a lot more room and I can really get my thumb on the top of that in case I need to drive this into something. That right there, my friends, is the Senka, and we have the Serval. Let me know what you guys think about these two G10 knives. Once again, this is from a company called Black Triangle. Thank you so much for sending these over to have me check them out. Can't wait to throw that into my EDC rotation. Mikey Daily Carry. Catch you guys on the next one. Waka pow!